what is dynasty, political dynasty. Actually, political dynasty is like a family business, but it is political. All powers are generate around the family. We have lot of example around the world: Philippines, India, United States, and so many countries. You ask about Mr. Anurakumara Dissanayake nominated as a new president in Sri Lanka. I think that is not a revolution. In the Sri Lankans, people want some changes with actually leadership changes they want. So Anurakumara Dissanayake and NPP and protesters are that Sri Lanka, our country faced some economic crisis. NPP and Anurakumara Dissanayake, President Anurakumara Dissanayake took this problem as their party agenda. So people faced economic crisis, petrol queue and fuel queues, and especially former President Gotabaya Rajapaksa introduced organic cultivation, organic agriculture. That is a main thing, main problem to change this power from Rajapaksa family and Sri Lankan political culture.